To stay cool, Zero's window air conditioner is the perfect choice, easy installation for instant chill. The Zero brand window AC works with both 115-volt 60Hz and 220-volt 60Hz power, offering cooling capacities from 18K to 24K. It uses eco-friendly R32 refrigerant for safe operation. The Zero window air conditioner offers a choice between two control panels: a manual panel with knobs for adjusting power, temperature, and fan speed, or a remote control panel with an electronic display, LED indicators, and batteries for convenient remote operation. The filter is easy to clean with a reminder for air quality. Eco mode, save energy, stay comfortable. Ultra quiet, silent operation, auto restart, and a 24-hour timer add convenience. Sleep mode adjusts for better rest, and quiet mode ensures a peaceful environment.